Hi, my name is Vahe and I work here at Vahe Plumbing.
How long have you worked here, and can you tell me about your role?
So I've been working here for about half a year and I'm a call center agent, also a dispatcher.
What do you like most about working for this company?
I really like the friendly environment around here and how everyone is so helpful.
What is the most helpful way to get feedback?
The most helpful way to get a feedback for me is constructive criticism so I can know what I did wrong and fix it right away.
Who is your favorite villain?
My favorite villain is Joker, even though I don't consider him as a villain.
What are you most passionate about?
I'm really passionate about art and painting, drawing, anything that has to do with creating your own ideas.
What is the biggest challenge you face in life?
The biggest challenge that I faced is learning English because when I came from Armenia, I just knew the basics.